Oh my god!
Do your intro!
Hello everybody. My name is Markiplier.
It's 2014 all over again.
Oh wow, thanks. Oh good. So this is I'm fine. Like I'm oh god, sorry. Like I'm fine. Oh man, just really sick.
Your voice is so deep.
Thanks.
How did that happen?
Well, you know, this thing clawed onto my head and
Wait, can we explore more here?
Huh?
Wait. Go into the bucket.
Oh. I think it died.
It died. You're normal again.
Yeah. That didn't hurt me at all. I have full health. Uh-oh. Oh no!